Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And then first of all, we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here on this upper bar with the icons, simply tap on the three-dot icon, tap on Got It, and the settings should appear somewhere here. You can enter them, you can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this position here to have much faster access to the settings. So let's simply tap on it and then tap on languages. As you can see, here we've got the list of all applied languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, of course it depends on the language, so tap on it again. And another option, the keyboard layouts. Again, the amount of keyboard layouts will depend on the language. Sometimes you will have 3, sometimes only 1, and sometimes even up to 10 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to choose yours, mark it, and untick the option. Another option, if you don't want to use it, of course you can set 2 different layouts. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see here, we've got the Urdu language applied. If you just want to leave your new language without using 2 or 3 different languages, simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. I don't want to do it because I also want to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or 3 different languages added. So I will remove it later on. So let's go back to the keyboard. And here we will have 2 differences. One is visible right now. It is the globe icon, so the language key which will allow us to change the keyboards and the languages actually. Right now I've got English language, English keyboard, and after tapping on this globe icon I've got the Urdu one. So this is how to switch between the languages. And the second difference is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. Alright, so this is how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages. And now let me remove the language. So let's enter the settings. So the operation I've just explained to you. So the languages, the pencil icon, and now let's remove Urdu in my case. Then tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so the keyboard will look just like at the very beginning of this video. We do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.